Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making delicious stew. So let's get into the video. So as you all can see, my people, these are my pepper. Okay, I have red bell pepper and some carrots, onions, and my fresh pepper. Okay, so that is what we are doing. So that green one I wanna see now half when I use remain, so I don't want to waste that, so I can't add that join now. Okay, so the next thing here is our meat. We are going to be cooking our meat in the pot. I have my cow leg, a shaki, and a body. That's what I put in there. Okay, so I added my onions, my seasoning cube, and my spices. Okay, so that is what we are doing, and here we are turning our meat to be cooked. Then we cover it again. So the next thing here, now our meat is almost ready. Okay, I've cooked it like 40%, and now we are going to be adding other protein. This is our runabout, our ring. Okay, this is the kidney. Which one is one again? Ifuku. I don't know the name in English. So this is the heart. So this stew we are making, this is our pomo. Okay, so this stew we are making, there is no fresh, guys. I use all assorted meat that I have in my freezer. Okay, so that is what we are using, and here I'm adding some salt and some curry powder, and I added another seasoning cube. Okay, so we are going to cover it and let the meat cook. So the next thing here, we are going to be stew our tomatoes, our pepper. Okay, I have my oil in my pot already, added my onions, curry powder, my thyme, and I added bay leaf. Okay, so that is what you are seeing in here. The next thing now, I will be added my tomatoes paste. I beg tin tomatoes. Which one is tomatoes paste? Now tin tomatoes, my people. So that is what we are doing. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be putting my minced pepper. Okay, so that is what we are doing. You know, you can make your stew with some carrots. It's very good and delicious. Try it if you have not tried it before. Okay, so we are still going to be turning it a little. We cover it, then we come back again in our meat. So let's give it a stir. I beg, make we turn now. Which one be stir? All those English, I'll be me and una they do that one. No, I beg. So we come back to our stew again. We are going to be turning it. So the next thing here, we are going to be adding our tomatoes. Okay, so these tomatoes that I use here is multi tomatoes. I put it in my filter. I beg, now they call the hand. So to remove all the water, and I know say that multi tomatoes before now, I know they get water, but now I be like say that water now that they come they pour for inside. Okay, so that's what happened there. So my people, if you don't watch this video, we share, you never follow, you never share, you never like our video, and you never leave your comments. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? What is going on? What's no? I beg, make una help una sister, help a mother, help a friend. As you do, may God bless you. And to our returning followers, I say may God bless you all as una take the support una get. Una thank you. So let's keep watching. So the next thing here, my people, I added the stock meat. Okay, that's what we are adding, and I added my seasoning cube. Okay, seasoning cube. I beg, mangi, which one is seasoning cube? Madam, I beg, be careful, not go cut your tongue. Go the name of seasoning cube. So later we are going to cover the pot and let the stew cook. And now this is our dried goat meat. Okay, this is the only meat that we have inside. And the next thing, I'm putting my egg in the stew. Okay, see the way I take it so that all the stew go enter inside. When you are eating the egg, oh my God, we take it to heaven. I'm gonna try this method, you will enjoy it. You know, today is Sunday, so just try it. Okay, so thank you, and let's keep watching. So we are going to cover it. Keep watching, please. This voice note, you know, it's not easy. Now we are going to be adding all our assorted meat. Look at this stew now. Look at the beauty of this stew. They see that runabout. Oh my God. Look at it, this year, the way it tastes fine, and so it tastes sweet. If you taste, I beg, if you dey near that, just WhatsApp me and you will receive yours, okay? So our stew is ready, neighbor. So it's time to eat our delicious stew. Look at that run and party. See, and this stew is very, very yummy. And we are going to be eating it with some rice, my and some plantain idodo. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Please share this video, let this video to go viral as we do. May God highly bless you. Thank you all for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye.